thing that I do not like about this bag. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Of course, I'm Shante Ree. If you're new and it's your first time, don't let it be your last time. Make sure you don't forget to subscribe if you're enjoying the content and the vibes. So I do want to get straight into this video because I literally was stalking the mailman for my bag and it just got here like 30 minutes ago. So I haven't filmed a video in my closet in a while. Yes, we are in a closet because my girls are running around and they are entirely too loud. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna close my room door and I'm gonna go in the closet to film. This bag, let me just say, I haven't totally unwrapped it, but I did already take a peek inside. If you're not new, y'all know how I do. I get real antsy. I get real touchy. Sometimes I can't wait. Anyways, all I did was take her out of the package. So also, let me just mention, if you've never shopped from Ego before, I do have a first time discount. You can use my code. It should be on the screen. If I don't put it on the screen, then it will be in the description box. So make sure you are always checking my description box for important information and links. So back to this bag. We all know, you already seen the bag, you already know why it is so popular right now. We see what it's giving, and if you do the comparison, this is as good as it gets. So shout out to Ego for coming through with all of the bomb dupes. This is basically what it came in, and then they just have plain white poly mailer that says Ego, nothing too special. So let's get into the bag. Look at her. Like, I am speechless at how beautiful and fire it looks. See, tag still on. All I did was open it. Ego. This is still on the strap. I was so hoping that the strap was like this, just as it is on the Balenciaga Le Cagole. I don't know if that's how you say it. Le Cagole. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. And it did not disappoint. So, first glance, fire. Fire. It's giving upscale streetwear type of vibe. It's giving expensive. It's giving what it needs to give, just at first glance. So this bag, I don't even know what I would wear with it, but it makes me want to get dressed. I'm not even gonna lie. Make me want to get dressed, like dress. So let me take this off. Took that off of the strap. Oh my god, I'm really in love. Like, I think I'm gonna need every color. Just take my coins, just take them. So of course this is crossbody. Now let me see if it is adjustable. This bag is making me want to give y'all a lookbook, to be honest. Like, it's making me want to do a whole lookbook of outfits that I would wear with it. Okay, so it looks like it is adjustable. Both sides have these. And I'm I'm assuming that they are functional and not just for show. Yes, they are functional. So you can adjust the strap to how long or short you want it by the side buckles. Now, I really love this little heart mirror and this little, I guess like a coin purse. Super cute, and it has weight to it, but it's not super heavy. So the detailing is silver. This is the zipper. Open it. There's clear stuff in inside. I really love this bag. I don't even know why I'm shocked. Like, why are you shocked?
Don't be shocked. You're shocked? You're shocked?
I've been seeing the girlies on TikTok reviewing different bags, different Balenciaga dupes from Ego, but I haven't seen anybody review this particular one, the Diamante, aka the rhinestone one. So the inside is just nude. It has one zipper compartment, and that's it. It doesn't have any branding on the inside. Doesn't say Ego. Oh, it does have this little pocket as well. So it has a zipper, and then it has a pocket. Like, I'm ready to wear her out on the town already, and just got her. But she has arrived. Like, it's not really too much to be said. I love the size of it. So while we're here, I'm gonna grab the main stuff that I do be carrying in my bags on a daily basis and kind of give y'all the gist of what fits inside. Okay, I'm back, and I have kind of like an armful of stuff. So I have a miniature sanitizer, I have a mini Vaseline, I have my portable light, content creator stuff. I have my card holder, my portable fan, a lip gloss, my camera, and my tripod. So let's see what all fits in here. So a lot of my smaller bags, usually my tripod might not fit. So if not, I'll usually just carry it by hand, but I'm curious to see if it'll comfortably fit in here, which yeah, that went in with no issues. So let's see about the rest of this stuff. Portable light. My portable fan folds up in half. Everything is fitting well so far. My money, my card holder. Sanitizer. Mini Vaseline. So far it has gotten kind of heavy, but it doesn't look like I'm gonna have an issue at all zipping it up. I am obsessed. So I did leave out my camera because, I mean, sometimes I carry it, sometimes I don't. And then a lip gloss. So let me see if I can fit these two. Probably won't be able to fit my camera, but oh wait, no, actually I still see space in the very corner, so, and it fit comfortably. All of this stuff fit inside this bag. Now I'm just gonna zip it back up. Wait, it's a little hard, hold on. Nope. So I did have to take the camera out, but other than that, everything else fit pretty comfortably. And she's basically ready to wear. Okay, so I just found one thing that I do not like about this bag, which, I mean, there is a fix to it. I noticed this, and it's like they kind of rope tied this detailing and tucked it under. So when I do this, like, I could actually push this and pull it and it would unravel, I guess, or you could pull it out, which I wouldn't want to take it out, and I'm not sure why anybody would want to take this detailing off, but I don't like that. It kind of looks and seems undone. But I mean, my fix for that would, to be honestly, to like just super glue that just to be sure that it doesn't start unraveling. So other than that, I don't have any complaints. I am obsessed. I really love this bag. She's fire if you ask me, and I would be surprised if it is not sold out again. So yeah, don't forget that you are able to go on my link tree, which will be in the description box, and use 20, well, I'm not sure if it's 20, it might be 10 or 20% off on your first purchase at Ego. Thank y'all for watching, and I will see y'all in the next one.
I know that you're drunk. Yeah. Tell me what you want after this club. You know you're nasty. Don't Uber right at my house, you call a taxi. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. First things first, let me hit that introduction. We on the long road to self-destruction. You was so in love, you weren't gonna tell me nothing. Let me get this clear, cause I had no idea. I feel like I did too much. Let's get